welcome to Quentin's Pet Battle Guide to Your Menagerie. Today we're going to be looking at Kura Thunderhoof once more. I believe this is the last set that Kura Thunderhoof has. It is the full critter set, nothing but critters. We have 2 rare ones and 1 not rare one. They're relatively easy to defeat if you do the right moves. Now, I brought my feline familiar. You don't have to bring this. He has same moves as most, but whenever you face a critter, you want a pet that can use a move that reduces damage. For instance, this pet has Stone Skin, so the pet that has Stone Skin will stop Stampede from doing any damage whatsoever. Not for the rare one because he has 126, but for any of the ones behind him. I also have 2 backup pets, by Zufu Cub of Zuen and Zhao Kathling of Neo Zhao. Now, I don't think that you're going to have 2 Celestials. You may not even have 1 Celestial. I don't know. Maybe you should check out my Celestial Guide to the Celestial Tournament. You can use other cats. If you are an experienced pet battler, you know you probably have tons of different kinds of cats. Any of them will do. Let's go ahead and get started. I always start with Stone Skin. And now I'm going to use Pounce. Because I'm faster, I chose Pounce. Because that means I'll hit twice instead of once. As you can see, I did, 600 something damage. And see, that Stampede didn't do any damage to me thanks to that move. So it's very important that you have that move. Now, I could kill him right now, and in fact I will, because he did not use his crouch. So there goes Nicodermus. Now we're out to Brisbee. We're going to use the same move again, Pounce. Again, he's Stampede, and you see how useful that Stone Skin is. And since he's Stampeded, he has to Stampede for the next 2 rounds. And so, since he's forced to Stampede and you can't use Crouch, we're actually going to use our move Devour. And what Devour is going to do in this next round is it's going to heal us back up to full. This is actually the pet that I have found that leveling with is great. He blocks damage from critters, and then he heals to full after every critter he defeats, which is fantastic, so I use him to level almost all of my pets. And we can just go ahead and Devour, and as you can see, it'll be back to full. Great pet to have, this guy. Alright, and that's how you beat Kura Thunderhoof's Critter Companion. Thanks for watching.